You can build strong brand on social media without spending a single dime on the paid advertising. Here it may be personal brand or corporate brand. You can build that on social media. To build a strong brand on the social media, you have to produce the content for social media on a consistent basis. You have to put the content on social media. Here you will get one doubt. Venkat, okay, I will consider social media to build my personal brand or corporate brand, but how can I produce content for all these platforms? Okay, so all platforms didn't accept the same type of content, and I have to produce the in different sizes and different contextual content. So guys, here thing is the you have to produce content for one platform like YouTube. Okay, so first give the priority to YouTube and produce the content for YouTube as lengthy videos, and you have to repurpose that particular content into so all these platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Okay, so you have to produce content like this, and you have to produce the content for social media consistent basis. If you produce like that, you will get the some inbox messages, those are the leads, and you can also produce the some sales, and you can do the brand awareness to your brand. Okay, so you can do all these things so with the help of the social media. Here thing is the producing content is not only one game. You have to respond to the whatever comments you are getting, whatever inbox messages you are getting, you have to respond to those things, and these will help you to build the some trusted brand on the social media. So you have to produce the mainly more content for this social media, and you can use the simple mantra to produce more content for social media is content repurpose. Okay guys, use this simple method to produce the content for social media. And here thing is the first of all, don't jump to all these platforms if you are a beginner. Okay, if you are a beginner, just focus on one platform like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Now the organic reach, so for the organic reach, not that much on the Instagram, Facebook page. So you can utilize the reels on the Instagram to get the some organic boost. And the coming to the YouTube is a evergreen content platform, so because it's a search engine. It is the second largest search engine, so your content will be discovered by even strangers, so with the help of the producing content for YouTube. So I highly recommend you to first focus on either YouTube or the LinkedIn. On LinkedIn also, so the organic reach is the very good, and you can also consider LinkedIn as a first preferring platform. So you have to first focus one platform if you are a beginner. Just produce the content on consistent basis for this platform, and after getting some results on on that platform, you can jump to other platforms, and whatever the content you have on that main platform, you can repurpose that content into so other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, so in this way you can build a strong brand on the social media. Here you have to keep in mind that you no need to spend any dollar to build a strong brand and social media. So you can build the brand on social media organically. So but here you have to keep in mind that you have to have a macro patience to get the results from these platforms. Okay, it will take some time to get the results. You didn't get the results in overnight. Okay guys, If you want to get the results fast, then go for the paid advertising. Okay, so the social media marketing game is the long term game, and you have to wait for the results, and you must have a patience. Okay guys, I hope this video will help you.